For 76 years, Tayug National High School has proven itself for reaping the fruits of labor with pride and honor. Today marks another milestone in our scholastic history. For the second year, we shall be holding the year-end rites virtually. The worldwide crisis had held us to this situation, but it will never stop us to provide the best to our learners, especially to the class of 2021.
Let us give honor to our beloved nation as we sing Philippine National Anthem, followed by fervent prayer to be led by Cristel Joyce Tulyao of STEM United Kingdom and Rama Maamor of ICT Italy. Together, we sing Region 1, Pangasinan Division 2, and Tayug National Hymn through an audio presentation.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Kayang magiliw, telas ang sinangalan, alam ng puso, sa dikit mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, kuya ka ng magiting, sa manlulupin, di ka pasisigil, sa nagatang tutok sa simoy at sa langit ng bangaw, ay hinagang tudla, kawin sa paglayang minamahal, ang islang ng matawad mo'y tagumpay na nag-iingin, ang ituwin at araw niya kailan ang may di magdidinig. Luman ang araw ng walhagin pagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Ang hindi kaya ng pagkay mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Ama na aming Diyos, banal ka po at makapangyarihan sa lahat. Salamat po ng napakarami sa iyo sapagkat nasapit po namin ang araw na ito. Ang araw ng aming pagtatapos sa aming pag-aaral sa senior high. Salamat po ng napakarami sa iyo, Ama, sapagkat sumasampalataya po kami sa mahabang panahon ng aming pag-aaral. Ginagabayan mo po kami at tinutulong. Hindi mo po kami pinapabayaan, Ama. Kung kami man po ay nahihirapan sa aming pag-aaral, lagi ka pong umaalalay at binubuksan ang aming kaisipan upang kami ay makaunawa sa aming pag-aaral. Hiling lang po namin, Ama, sapagkat sa susunod na pasukan, kami na po ay papasok sa susunod na yugto ng aming buhay, ang pagpasok sa kolehiyo. Sana po ay, Ama, patuloy mo pa po kaming gabayan at ipahintulot upang kami ay makatapos sa aming pag-aaral sa kolehiyo. Hinihiling po namin ang lahat sa pangalan ng aming Panginoong Jesus. Amen.
من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
And the rivers, to the plains and winding trails, to the shores where breezes linger. That's the place I love so well. It's the home of men who loved her, men who died to keep us free, men who told no bad the weather, that anyone will never be. Region 1, oh Region 1, there's no better place I see. Region 1, oh Region 1, dearest home by far to me. From her care I learn my lessons, in her veils I work and play. me safe and happy as I live on day by day. From to other lands I wander as I search for wealth and fame. In my heart I will remember Region 1, beloved name. Region 1, oh Region 1, there's no better place I see. Region 1, oh Region 1, dearest of my far to thee. Other lands I wander as I search for wealth and fame. In my heart I will remember Region 1, beloved name. Region 1!
Vast dim and rolling plains give life to the sturdy ends. Men, women, young and old find hope and glory in this fold. This home of great joy and gladness, of fertile lands and green valleys, nature that captures the eye and soul, oh fled the heart of doubt and peace. East to west, from north to south, faithful ones pack and gather at the pilgrim of the North, whispering a common prayer resounding. Mabuhay, mabuhay, Pangasinan to I sing, mabuhay to you. Of men, women, young and old, find hope and glory in this fold. Oh, I sing mabuhay, Pangasinan too.
Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you the members of the faculty and staff of Tayug National High School. Mr. Mark R. Martinez, Officer in Charge, Office of the Principal. Dr. Roderick R. Castillo, Officer in Charge, Office of the Senior High School Assistant Principal. The administrative staff of the Senior High School to be led by Ms. Lerma N. Ramos, AO2. The Grade 11 teachers headed by Mr. Jose Maria Estrada, Grade 11 Curriculum Advisor. The Grade 12 teachers headed by Ms. Ingrid Margaret V. Pineda, Grade 12, a Curriculum Advisor. Graduation is the culmination of your academic journey in high school. Hence, it is the celebration of your achievements and accomplishments that you have attained with all the hard work and commitment. You have proven not just your ability to put in the time and the effort to complete the unthinkable amounts of schoolwork, but also the emotional resiliency to deal with all the drama that comes with high school. And with that, welcome to the 4th Senior High School Commencement Exercises.
I am Stephen S. Soto.
And Mary Grace R. Tabingo, your Masters of Ceremony.
This school year has changed a lot of our norms and perspectives in learning amidst this COVID-19 pandemic. We have embraced the trials of making this school year as still as meaningful as what we had before. This has brought us to this year's theme, strengthening the quality of education amid the COVID-19 pandemic. We would like to highlight that amid the challenges, the learners' rights to inclusive and quality education and to safety from the health risk of COVID-19 must be given priority.
As we set the mood of our celebration, let us listen to the man behind the success of Tayug National High School under his care. To formally welcome us, let us listen to our Officer in Charge, Office of the Principal, Mr. Mark R. Martinez.
My warmest greetings and congratulations to the graduates of the school year 2020-2021. Nothing can stop you now. You shall now receive your ticket to the next journey of your academic life. The celebrity and advocate Tom Hanks once stated, "The future is always uncertain, but we who celebrate that you have done, who celebrate all of your achievements, we are certain that one thing on this day, you will not let us down." Our experience for this school year is truly extraordinary. The coronavirus has stopped the world and created an impact on our scholastic endeavors. This year, our graduation focuses on the theme, strengthening the quality of education amid the COVID-19 pandemic. To highlight that amid all the challenges, the learners' rights to inclusive and quality education and safety from the health risks of COVID-19 must be given priority. Tayug National High School moved mountains and crossed the rapid rivers to deliver the best services to our learners above these trials. I give my respectful salutation to the members of the faculty and staff of Tayug National High School, who are the heroes who braved the challenges we faced this school year. In my capacity as your leader and mentor for the past 5 years and 6 months, I ensure that we are together hand in hand in embracing all these ordeals and become compassionate in striving for the quality education we all promised to our learners. I am also forever grateful to our supporters and stakeholders, the faculty and staff, our beloved parents, alumni, and different government leaders that believed in our beloved alma mater and unconditionally love and support it. All this brought our school to the pinnacle. I am humbled with the achievements that Tayug National High School have accomplished with yours truly as the OIC principal. For 6 consecutive years, Tayug National High School is rated outstanding for its performance that brought about the performance-based bonus to the teachers and staff. Hence, a record-breaking recognition as a 6-time national winner for Brigada Escuela Most Sustained School. We are recognized also by the International Schools Awards for 3 consecutive years for Teaching Excellence Awards, Best Managed School, and Distinguished School for Holistic Education Award, alongside distinctions to teachers for their outstanding performances in their respective fields. This and many more are the proofs of the hard work, dedication, and commitment of Tayug National High School. It has established a strong relationship with the community that helped build trust and confidence among its members. To our dear parents, who by all means work hard for their children, congratulations. You deserve all the recognition because of your sacrifices and love for your children. This year, you have played the most vital role in delivering learning from school to your homes. You have shown full support to our programs that led us to the success of this year's alternative delivery mode of learning. We are forever grateful for all of this. Graduates, as you look to the future, remember, you cannot climb the ladder of success with your hands in your pockets alone. Get out there and continue to do something great. It has been a pleasure being with you on this journey the past 6 years, and I look forward to hearing more about your future successes. I recognize that despite the circumstances and chaos brought by the pandemic, you stayed focused and determined on your goals, dreams, and responsibilities. Mabuhay kayong lahat! Mabuhay ang Tayug National High School!
At this moment, we now listen to the words of encouragement and inspiration from a man of wisdom. Friends, let us welcome our Pangasinan Division 2 Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Danilo C. Season.
The proud parents and guardians, partners, stakeholders, school officials, teachers, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant day to everyone. Situated in this new normal atmosphere, we don't have the usual and traditional way of culminating the school year, recognizing the outstanding graduates and celebrating the success of our children who are graduating today. Having hurdled the strenuous requirements of graduation. Despite the hardship, sacrifices, and stressful situation that we are in, brought about by this pandemic, our teachers, parents, and stakeholders work hard collaboratively to ensure the continuity of learning among our school children using all the available media to facilitate its acquisition. The SDO Pangasinan 2 wish to congratulate our proud graduates batch 2021. Our warmest greetings to our school managers, teachers, staff, parents and guardians who have helped and guided our graduates attain this momentous event in their lives. Graduation is a testimony to the enduring and resilient spirit of the Filipinos for their ability to stand up, to bounce back, and to conquer the odds, just like the ongoing hardship and challenging brought about by the COVID-19 pandemic. Through our innate optimism to see the light and the end of every challenges in life. For so many times, we have proven that we can surmount any adversity by sharing a hand with each other in times of darkness and trials. The many challenging moments we have endured tempted us sometimes to give up, but our hearts refuses to be broken by deep distress. We don't lose our hope because of the strong faith we share with each other, even in the most trying time of circumstances. We may be battered, but definitely never defeated. Having undergone a lot of honing and guidance through the patient, loving and caring tutelage of your teachers, you graduates are now ready to face the new chapter of your educational journey. Life challenges may not be easy, but you have learned at home and in the school that success never comes easy the way we wish it, but rather through hard work and perseverance, inspired by our Divine Almighty, which serves as our guiding light. To the graduates, again, my congratulations. We wish you all the best in your journey towards reaching your dreams and aspirations. God bless and mabuhay.
In occasions like these, we never get tired of listening to words of inspirations from people that we consider prudent and wise. We now listen to the words of the father of our beloved town, Tayug. Let's welcome together Attorney Carlos Trece Armapile for his inspirational message.
Good morning, graduates, my proud parents, and most especially to the OIC Principal, Sir Mark R. Martinez. Today marks another milestone in your life. You pass another journey of your educational career, and you are going again to another level of your journey, your college education. You are going to expect more challenges in your college life. Challenges which will make you more braver in life and in the future. Tatlong advices lang ang pwede kong i-share sa inyo. Una, dedikasyon. You have to be dedicated to your studies. Pwede naman mag-boyfriend or mag-girlfriend, pero sila ay 10% inspiration lang at dapat 90% ay perspiration. Your concentration in your life as a college student at sa inyong pag-aaral ay dapat gawin ninyo. Ikalawa ay commitment. Your commitment to your parents na kayo ay magtatapos sa pag-aaral ay gagawin ninyo. Kasi pinag-aaral kayo for your future. My challenges to the proud parents is for you to give your all-out support to your children. And lastly is prayer. Prayer is very powerful. May ups and downs sa pag-aaral at kung mangyari yun, ay go to Him, our Savior, Lord Jesus Christ. Congratulations to the batch 2021 graduates of Tayug National High School, our beloved alma mater. Thank you.
The Grade 12 advisors shall now present the candidates for graduation to our OIC Principal, Mark R. Martinez.
I have the honor to present to you the 33 candidates for graduation under the Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics, United States of America. 14 male, 19 female, waiting for confirmation.
I have the honor to present to you 32 candidates for graduation under Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics, United Kingdom. 16 male, 16 female, waiting for your confirmation.
I have the honor to present to you 31 candidates for graduation under Accountancy, Business, and Management, Canada. 7 male, 24 female, waiting for your confirmation.
I have the honor to present to you 29 candidates for graduation under Accountancy, Business, and Management, France, 6 male and 23 female, waiting for your confirmation. I have the honor to present to you 35 candidates for graduation under General Academics, France, Mexico, 14 male, 21 female, waiting for your confirmation.
I have the honor to present to you 40 candidates for graduation under Humanities and Social Sciences, Puerto Rico. 15 male, 25 female, waiting for your confirmation.
I have the honor to present to you 41 candidates for graduation under Humanities and Social Sciences, Costa Rica. 16 male and 25 female, waiting for your confirmation.
I have the honor to present to you 41 candidates for graduation under Humanities and Social Sciences, Venezuela, 17 male, 24 female, waiting for your confirmation.
I have the honor to present to you 37 candidates for graduation under Humanities and Social Sciences, Panama, 17 male, 20 female, waiting for your confirmation.
I have the honor to present to you 40 candidates for graduation under Humanities and Social Sciences, Colombia. 16 male, 24 female, waiting for your confirmation.
I have the honor to present to you 38 candidates for graduation under Humanities and Social Sciences, Argentina. 16 male, 22 female, waiting for your confirmation.
I have the honor to present to you the 31 candidates for graduation under Technical, Vocational, Livelihood, Information, and Communication Technology, Switzerland. 18 male, 13 female, waiting for your confirmation.
I have the honor to present to you 32 candidates for graduation under Technical, Vocational, Livelihood, Information Communications Technology, Italy, 21 male, 11 female, waiting for your confirmation.
I have the honor to present to you 30 candidates for graduation under Technical, Vocational, Livelihood, Information Communication Technology, Denmark, 22 male, 8 female, waiting for confirmation.
I have the honor to present to you 35 candidates for graduation under Technical, Vocational, Livelihood, Home Economics, Australia. 9 male, 26 female, waiting for your confirmation.
I have the honor to present to you 35 candidates for graduation under Technical, Vocational, Livelihood, Home Economics, Germany. 8 male, 27 female, waiting for your confirmation.
I have the honor to present to you 33 candidates for graduation under Technical, Vocational, and Livelihood, Home Economics, Finland. 6 male, 27 female, waiting for your confirmation.
I have the honor to present to you 39 candidates for graduation under Technical Vocational Livelihood Industrial Arts Stream. 39 May, waiting for your confirmation.
I have the honor to present to you 38 candidates for graduation under Technical, Vocational, and Livelihood Industrial Arts Sweden. 35 May, 3 May. Waiting for your confirmation.
As the school head, after careful scrutiny of the requirements submitted in my office, I have found that you have completed the requirements for graduation. I, therefore, certify that these 669 candidates for graduation have fully satisfied the requirements prescribed by the Department of Education. Sir, they now await your confirmation.
By virtue of the authority vested in me by the DepEd Secretary Leonor Magtoles Briones, through the Regional Director, Dr. Tolentino G. Aquino, and in my capacity as the Schools Division Superintendent of SDO Pangasinan II, acting upon the strong recommendations of your school head and teachers, that you have satisfactorily completed all the requirements for graduation prescribed by the DepEd on elementary or secondary education, I now accept and confirm you graduates of your respective schools for the school year 2020-2021. On the day of our Lord, July 2021, thereby granting you the right to enjoy all the privileges attached to it. Congratulations.
Many wants to be recognized, but only few have proven themselves worthy. Now we have come to the moment when we recognize our graduates, hence, the students who have exceptionally performed beyond expectations. Ladies and gentlemen, the class of 2021. Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics, United States of America. Bongolan Maximo III R. with high honors. Alfonso Luis Tucay F. with high honors. Vidad Ivan Lester P. with high honors. Cabato Kimberly P. with high honors. De Leon Mary Ann A. with high honors. Gaon Melissa V. with high honors. Nicodine Yasmin M. with high honors. Shador Erica Denise B. with high honors. Tabak Angelique Kate D. with high honors. Agbayani John Ace Q. with honors. De Jesus Miko Dave G. with honors. De la Cruz John D. F. with honors. Dumaran Aldwin John M. with honors. Galima Berlin B. with honors. Manipon Francis C. with honors. Marquez Aldrich Marcos P. with honors. Paraguas Michael J. A. with honors. Rivera Chody T. with honors. Santos Yumir A. with honors. Bitug Ayan Daniel G. with honors. Abundo Cheriel R. with honors. Cara Princess Nicole R. with honors. Ebrio Christine Joy B. with honors. Ebrio Mariel F. with honors. Manaog Regine P. with honors. Padli Jessica D. with honors. Tinobago Shania Jade S. with honors. Solis Eliza May C. with honors. Urmatan Javjaira M. with honors. Brady Joanna Marie D. Joverio Shiny Nicole R. Sagiped Sina Jean M. Once again, the graduates from STEM United States of America. Advisor, Mr. Christian Amor K. Arizala.
Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics, United Kingdom. Abaga Art Dominic Narvaez with high honors. Alvarez Jr. Jimmy Doctolero with high honors. Estiliore Kevin Tronco with high honors. Tuitos Gerald Axibal with high honors. Callejo Charity Ramirez with high honors. De la Cruz Laila Marquez with high honors. Escaño Alia Gwyneth Barayuga with high honors. Gindoy Maricris Calix with high honors.
Balasige, Wendell P. Rabago, Joshua P. Reyes, Darrell N. Rilliorta, Harold B. Rodriguez, John Paul F. Sakay, John Boy F. Salmurin, Christopher F. Santa Maria, John Paul E. Tan Harris S. Valdez, Marnel D. Sabala, John Kurt P. Once again, the graduates from Industrial Arts, Spain. Advisor, Nicolai Carl E. Velasco.
Technical Vocational Livelihood Industrial Arts, Sweden. Abanes, Danjot A. Alejo, Jason G. Ancheta, Jomar P. Auditor, Aljon A. Basi, Michael R. Bado, Mark John R. Bondok, Elmer B. Cadano, Christian B. Carbonell, Mark Angelo P. Quagdan, Mark Revin D. Dalere, Brandon O. A. Serrano, Kenneth A. Siguansha Wancho M. Ursua, Harvey P. Villanueva, Ronaldo Jr. J. Zabala, J. Ramil C. Ferrer, Eliza Jean R. Orlandez, Marian Suzette M. Regiliano, Cristel Shane H. These are the graduates from Industrial Arts, Sweden. Advisor is Cristel L. Casamayor.
Once again, congratulations, graduates. As a response, we now listen to the message of gratitude of Ivan Lester P. Bidad of STEM United States of America on behalf of the graduates.
Our amiable and dedicated officer in charge, Office of the Principal, Mr. Mark R. Martinez, Sir. Our revered and respectable officer in charge, Office of the Senior High School Assistant Principal, Dr. Roderick R. Castillo, Sir. Our very active representative of the 6th District House Majority Leader, Honorable Tyron D. Agabas. Our reputable and ever-supportive father of Tayug, Honorable Mayor Carlos Trece R. Mapili, our untiring and caring members of the faculty and staff of Tayug National High School, our compassionate and loving parents and guardians, and most of all, my fellow graduates, a pleasant day to all of you. Today is the day we take a step into the new facet of reality. Our senior year was off to a grim start with a distance learning modality brought about the COVID-19 pandemic. Despite these challenges, we were still able to reconvene these 2 years of senior high school with our friends and classmates in the simple ways we can. We are here to celebrate together this momentous occasion. Senior high school taught us not only why mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cell, but also how to be independent, to stand on our own, and be confident as an individual. The people whom we used to be with will no longer be there all the time. It may sound cliche, but it is true that the only constant thing in the world is change. We grow bringing along the friendship, support, independence, guidance, or a push that we all needed. My fellow graduates, it is now fitting to look back in gratitude. The years of our laborious schoolwork, this way we can tell ourselves that our efforts and those of our parents and teachers have not been in vain. I am grateful to my family, especially to my mother. Without her and everyone who supported me, I am sure I will not make it this far. It was not an easy road raising a teenager in high school. Thanks for patiently nourishing us, continuously encouraging us with your inspiring words, filled with love and understanding. I would also like to thank all the senior high school faculty and staff. Throughout these 2 years, you all have become like parents to us. You are not only teachers and administrators, but you have gone beyond that role. You have given us bits of advice on some of our most personal conflicts, and we shall bring them with us in our next journey in life. To the people that have been by my side throughout my academic life, I would be lost without you. So allow me to express my heartfelt thanks for just being there and being you. Thank you, my friend. Last, but definitely not the least, I want to thank our Heavenly Father who has helped us and blessed us with this fantastic achievement. We glorify you for guiding us through this chapter of our life. None of this would have been possible. As our graduation theme connotes, strengthening the quality of education amid the COVID-19 pandemic, it elates the scholastic journey that we face this school year. We struggled in our studies while coping with pandemic. We worked towards the promise of a great future of ourselves. While I was carrying the expectations of many people around me, the heaviest ones were my own when I did not meet them. With the pandemic season and lockdown, I was overwhelmed past my breaking point. I kept chasing things that would benefit me, but I stopped feeling passion for anything that I did or learned. The truth was, all I wanted to do was to feel better again. Despite all this, look at we are now. We made it here down to the last act. We did it day after day. We made the choice to rise up and give ourselves another chance to start over. People come and go. We do not know where this journey we call life would lead. Remember, it is just the beginning of something great, of something new. But we must be strong, focus on the positive, ignoring the negative, and moving forward. I encourage you to be great and to be the best. The words we have heard today are words of motivation and inspiration, and we must not take them for granted. To my fellow graduates, congratulations to us. The long road of high school has come to its end. We're all champions of our achievement. We all play our games. Life is unpredictable and problems are inevitable. Together we move forward and welcome the new chapters of our life with the right choices and right decisions. Step up, speak up, and don't fight your feelings. Class of 2021, remember who you are, know your worth, and be great. And again, I wish you all good luck, and may the favor of God be upon us. Thank you, Tayug National High School. Mabuhay tayong lahat.
Our one-of-a-kind celebration has come to its final phase. As we continue to cherish this moment of triumph and success, we listen to the words of our keen and respectable officer in charge, Office of the Senior High School Assistant Principal, Dr. Roderick R. Castillo.
Good morning, everyone. My warmest congratulations to the students for surviving the trials of this year's learning. Life is never easy in coping up with the challenges of the distance learning. My felicitations also go to our parents for investing your time and efforts in providing the quality education for your children. Your time and effort in getting and returning the module to and from your home reflects your commitment and dedication in crystallizing your desire for a brighter future for your children. Our teachers, congratulations for surviving the longest school year so far. You have poured your whole body and soul in preparing the learning modules. We extended our professional service in wider horizons. We risked our life and health just to provide the quality education mandated among us. For the second year in a row, we are conducting the graduation ceremony away from your home in a virtual world. Yet we lose physical connections. We are connected by our hearts and desire. I, in behalf of the 49 strong faculty and staff of the senior high school, extend our gratitude to all those who would join us in this long, winding journey. Thank you for those who helped in the preparation of this ceremony in the virtual world. Again, congratulations, Batch 2021.
The class of 2021 is a special batch of graduates. They have built memories that inspired them to reach their goals and become the best person they can be. We now listen to their hearts and remember their years in Tayug National High School as they sing their graduation song.
We might not be walking across the stage with the cameras flashing. They've been waiting on our day. It's been a journey, hasn't it? I wouldn't trade a moment. No, I wouldn't trade a moment. I know I am because of you. Whether we've known each other, we just here or two. And I'm grateful.
The academic year 2020-2021 has been another fruitful year manifested by our young people's achievements and success.
To our dear graduates, pass on your recognition to your family, especially to your parents, teachers, and mentors who have assisted you in your journey of learning. Remember also to dedicate and give back this acknowledgement you have received to the source of all wisdom and goodness, to Him up there. Appreciate them as they appreciate you. Once again, congratulations, class of 2021. Soar high, senior high.
We have now come to the end of our graduation ceremony. Thank you for sharing this momentous celebration with us. Stay safe, everyone.